Welcome to Puhl FAQ, where we answer some of the questions we hear most often from trim collection system owners. Here to answer today's question is GF Puhl's Director of Sales, Greg Baum.
When a trim and dust collection system is running well, no one in the plant other than the baler operator thinks much about it. But when there are problems, say a set of belts on one of the blowers breaks or the system plugs, the system tends to get more attention. If the system is old or substandard, operators often just fix the problem and move on. Downtime isn't always reported because it can be combined with other things like setup or make ready, breaks, lunch, or shift change. In addition, the baler operator position in most plants is often an entry-level job. Turnover can be high. New operators can make rookie mistakes like not throwing the right switches at the right time or by overfeeding floor sweeps and shredders. In order for management to address the root cause of system problems, they have to know when the problems happen. But in most plants, information isn't shared when it happens. Some companies generate reports about system problems on a monthly basis. But the most valuable information, the real-time data about system performance, is just about impossible to capture, until now. Today's wireless communication technology has changed the game when it comes to system monitoring. Today's programmable controls and communications are light years ahead of what was available just 10 years ago. Innovations like touchscreen controls and remote monitoring on smartphones, some available only from GF Puhl, are revolutionizing the industry. How does remote monitoring work? With wireless controls linked to your smartphone, you can see data about trim system performance when you're connected to your plant's wireless network. Add in a VPN modem on the system, along with a dedicated internet connection, and technicians at GF Puhl can also see your system as it runs. Remote monitoring capability can drastically reduce the costs and headaches created by system downtime, especially when Puhl technicians dial in to access system performance information on the fly. Puhl technicians can debug issues related to pressures and controls from the office, eliminating the cost of site visits. And if you make changes to your system that require controls to be reprogrammed, changes like changing balance, blower ramp-up curves, timer changes, pressure set point changes, and more, Puhl technicians can use the dedicated VPN to remote in and make the programming changes without the cost of having to travel to the site. One of the best parts about remote monitoring capability is the fact that with remote monitoring, an interface can be loaded on just about any device. Watch your system running on your smartphone. Monitor performance on a large screen LCD TV in your office. Want a text alarm on your smartphone when the system faults? Remote monitoring makes it possible. Today's technology is bringing trim collection systems into the 21st century, and GF Puhl is leading the way with exclusive remote monitoring systems and touchscreen controls that make it easier than ever to get the most from your system.
For more information about remote monitoring and programmable touchscreen controls on trim collection systems, contact GF Puhl at 615-230-9500 or visit gfpuhl.com.